In this video, we are going to show you just how easy it is to install a high-quality, durable, and virtually maintenance-free stair railing system. First, let's take a look at the tools and safety equipment you will need to successfully install the stair railing system. We recommend installing this stair railing with 2 people. Now, let's get started. Determine the position of all posts by spacing them equally and ensuring that they are aligned with where you would like your stair railing installed. Ensure the measurement is from the center of the first and last post. In most areas, the maximum space allowed between the posts is 6 feet for single-family detached houses. For more details and all other applications, please check with our customer service team. The first step of installation is where we fasten the top post into position, ensuring that the post is plumb. Mark the location of the holes to be drilled using the post base as a template. Then, drill the holes for the anchoring fasteners. The size of the holes will depend on the type of fasteners used for your specific deck structure. Move the post back into position and use a drill with the appropriate socket to secure the post to the deck using 4 fasteners. The wood fasteners provided with each post are not suitable for all applications. Once the top post is secured, position the bottom post, but do not secure it yet. Assemble the stair brackets by securing the end caps to the backing plates with the connector bolts. Position the base rail at the required height above the nose of the stair treads. Then position the bottom post to meet the base rail less than 8 inches above the post base. Mark the location of the holes to be drilled for the second post using the post base as a template, but do not secure it yet. Place the stair brackets on the post to align with the base rail and mark the location of the backing plates on the post. Remove the stair brackets and drill 7 32nd-inch pilot holes into the posts. Take the brackets apart and use flathead screws to attach the backing plates. Reassemble the brackets, then measure and cut the base rail to fit between the end caps. Cut the handrail to the same length as the base rail and slide the stair brackets onto both ends of the handrail. Insert the base rail into the brackets and fasten the base rail to the bottom bracket only. Install a stair picket into each end of the base rail and ensure they are plumb. Now position the handrail onto the pickets. Ensure the pickets are fully inserted into the handrail. Once you've done this, mark the locations of the backing plates on the posts. Now remove the handrail and pickets. Then take the stair brackets apart. Drill 7 32nd-inch pilot holes into the posts. Then use flathead screws to attach the backing plates to the posts. Then reassemble the brackets. Tilt the bottom post to install the handrail into the stair brackets, and secure the bracket to the handrail at the bottom post only. Insert a stair picket near the bottom post and ensure that the picket is plumb and 4 inches or less from the post. At the bottom end of each rail, measure and cut the end spacers. Note that the top spacer will be shorter than the bottom spacer. Now remove the picket. Temporarily move the bottom post and rails away from the top post. Install the end spacers into each rail, followed by all but the last 4 spacers. Slide the bottom post back into position and insert the rails back into the brackets at the top post. Fasten the rails to the brackets at the top post using self-drilling screws. Slide the end spacers to the bottom end of each rail. Then insert a stair picket into the base rail and swing the top of the picket into the handrail. Repeat these steps until you have installed all but the last 3 pickets. Now unfasten the rails from the stair brackets at the top post only. Temporarily slide the railing away from the top post and support the base rail. Install the remaining stair pickets and spacers, then cut and install the last spacers flush with the ends of the rails. Slide the bottom post back into position and insert the rails into the stair brackets at the top post. The last picket must also be 4 inches or less from the top post. Re-secure the hand and base rails to the brackets at the top post using self-drilling screws. Fasten the bottom post to the landing or last stair tread, ensuring that the post is plumb. It is important to comply with your local building codes for handrail height, the size of the opening below the base rail, and any other specified requirements. Please also note that the stair pickets and spacers are different from regular pickets and spacers. Please refer to our installation guide for more details. Congratulations on successfully installing your stair railing system. Peak aluminum railing stair systems are available in standard or wide picket options to suit your architecture and landscape environment.